pull.
Okay, click the button, watch for traffic, wait 7 seconds, do the pull, and stop.
I will hit that button for you. Back in Austin's car again.
Yep.
It's not running rich, and we're not gonna blow it up.
A few minutes later.
Oh shit!
Should probably get a fire extinguisher ready, huh?
Holy shit!
That must have.
Oh, it's still on fire.
Oh. Figure it out together.
Austin's upgraded turbo and fuel system finally getting tuned.
Waited too long.
Yeah, you did. Let's see. Where can I stick this camera? Or hold it?
I can tell you where to stick it, but that's not PG.
Where would you like it?
Oh, where you can fit it, I guess.
I can fit it in many places. So, doing wide open throttle?
Yeah. Traffic between here and Burlington.
Gosh, people are gonna look at this video and be like a before and after when you were my first video. They'll be like, oh my god, that guy got fat.
Both of us.
I've gained so much weight since the first video.
Me too.
It's the cars. The cars have stressed us out to the point where we're gaining weight.
It's rough, man.
Can't wait to edit this video. So, Austin decided to get the same size turbo as me after the fact I already had one.
I didn't know you had one.
GTX3576r Gen 2 with the EVO, and I have one for the Subi. But I spent all kinds of stupid money for the fuel system. Austin pieced it together. We're gonna see how much power his stock block can hold.
I guess it's super common. Oh my god, fucking EVOs.
You have a 340 pump, right?
It's a 330 pump.
330 with 1300cc injector?
1200cc injectors.
Oh, we'll do 550 easy till it blows up.
Yeah, it can. I just need more supporting mods.
Which revision are you on now?
6.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Well, this is the 3rd revision for actually driving. The first 3 were all idle.
Oh.
Yeah, it sucked.
But it's all running good now.
Yeah, it's all running great now. And now he can actually read the AFR gauge.
He actually has an AFR gauge. It's not just running lean.
Yeah. All the time. Oh,
yeah.
Go pan away from that one.
Pan away from that one. It's only doing that now.
Deceleration, yeah. We're fine.
We're fine. Everything's fine.
Sorry there's no AC.
What? It's gonna roll out of this thing.
I know.
You don't have AC in this thing?
There's AC, I've never used it. I don't know if it even works.
No, it's probably gonna blow up.
Probably. Without that plate blocking my air intake. He says with the AC on, it kicks the fans on a lot.
Blows the heat into it?
Blows the air straight into the intake, and it messes up the MAF sensor. And I'm like, well, that's inconvenient. So I just won't use AC until I get that lockout plate.
Delete it. It's a race car. No one needs AC in a race car.
May as well just strip the interior.
That's what windows are for.
Yeah.
It's okay. We're real men. We die in hot cars.
So on wastegate only, it made 26 pounds.
Holy cow.
That felt way faster than before. Earlier I was like,
it sounds good too.
It sounds amazing.
Okay, let's go. It's right there. So Austin left me in the car to go get a drink. It's super hot in a black car. He left me dying in here. No windows down, no AC. Dead. It's okay. We're real men. We die in hot cars.
Man.
Okay. Oh, fucking Subaru.
Spent a lot of time with this car in the last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Mostly under the car. Changing out O2 sensors.
I'm pretty sure she's frustrated with this car just as much as you are.
Yeah. Probably more than me.
Neglecting Michaela. How dare you, Austin? How dare you?
You know what? Sometimes people deserve it.
Austin's gonna end up like that dead bug on the windshield.
It's a dead bee.
Then I'm gonna give Michaela $200 for your car. 200 bucks.
Let this guy pass by me.
Hear that, Michaela? 200 bucks.
3 weeks later.
Try first gear. Oh,
Here in the EVO, doing tire braking. Braking it.
Austin, are you
Oh, you should see mine. It comes out of the middle.
What's that?
I said 431. 431.
I'm thinking 460.
460?
All right, I'll go down. I'll go 456.
456.
Oh, my bad.
I said 431.
I said 414.
414. Austin just hopes it doesn't blow us up. That's his hope.
It's like, just let us get home. That's all we ask.
Austin just hopes his daily driver makes it home. Oh yeah, the little
Fucking 99 Prism.
yeah. 33. Oh shit! Almost. 433.
We ain't even close, so we're not even set up. So, are you saying that's not enough? No, it's gonna be better. We're not even set up with the car
Dang
yet.
it.
Oh, okay.
Dead on 431.
A few moments later.
Oh, I'm melting my, it was melting my firewall.
Oh shit!
Should probably get a fire extinguisher ready, huh?
Holy shit!
That must have.
Oh, it's still on
It's
fire.
red hot.
It's still on
It's red
fire. Hey, you got any water?
Actually, wait. I got some water.
Oh shit! You got water back here. Ah shit! I forgot.
It's fucking.
It's on fire.
Yeah, it's burning.
Ugh.
Oh, that's gonna fuck my manifold up, bro.
But that's you're good there. I think. Did you get it?
Not all of it. Is it on fire?
Just yeah, it's on fire.
The fucking turbo or manifold.
That's why I was like, is your car smoking?
Yeah, you're right, dude. I thought it was coating, but now that I smell it, yeah, it's.
I'm kind of glad I noticed it walking back over here.
behind there.
minutes later.